I'm going to show you one of the quickest and easiest ways to make money online. All you have to do is copy and paste, and this website will literally pay you for doing that. This website pays people from all over the world, no matter where you are. So make sure to keep watching in order to find out how you can make easy money online too. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. The website that we're going to be using is called clearvoice.com. This website will pay you, and they will not be paying you in points, coins, or gift cards, but they will give you real cash, which you can then spend on whatever you want. Now, in order to make money with this website, you will need to use some strategies, which I'll be showing you in this video. If you just go straight to the website and try to do it on your own, then it's going to take you a lot of time, and it's going to require a lot of effort, a lot of skills, and a lot of experience. But I'm going to show you how you can get all of that done for free. Clear Voice is being visited by over hundreds of thousands of people every single month. So that means there's a lot of money to be made with this website. I will explain to you exactly how and exactly what you will need to do with this website in order to make a decent amount of money. Now, clearvoice.com is a platform where entrepreneurs and business owners come to get articles written for them. So they will pay everyday people, everyday freelancers like me and you, to write different articles for them, and I'm going to show you how you can get those articles done for absolutely free. I'm going to show you a unique strategy to get new and fresh articles every single time, so you can get paid hundreds of dollars. For each article that you copy and paste from the resources which I'm about to give you, you can get paid hundreds of dollars, and you can do it again and again. It's unlimited. There are a lot of people visiting this website on a regular monthly basis, and you just need a couple of sales to get hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single day. So it's a really powerful strategy. Make sure that you pay close attention to each and every step so you can learn exactly how to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is go over to clearvoice.com, then hover your mouse over where it says Talent Network. And you will be able to see that people are writing articles in all sorts of categories. You have advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and much more. What you will first need to do is click on Join the Talent Network so you can get started. You have to enter your full name, enter your last name, and click Get Started. Now you can either sign up with your Twitter account, Google account, or by signing up manually with your email. Once you sign up for a brand new absolutely free account on clearvoice.com, you will be taken to your account. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for me, in case there are any videos that you want to see in particular. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure that I get as much feedback from you guys as possible. You know I'll try to respond to all of your comments. Okay, so let's head back to the video. First of all, I want to show you a few different things. You can set your own rate, so you can decide how much you want to get paid. So whether you want to get paid $100 per article, $200, or $300 per article, it's up to you. You will also get paid quickly, which means you will not have to wait for weeks or months to get paid. Clearvoice.com freelancers are paid via PayPal upon assignment approval, so you can work with confidence and you'll get paid on time. They're really reliable. If we scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see other people that are doing the same thing. In order to start making money, you need to click Add Content so you can start adding those articles. But how can you actually get those articles done for absolutely free with no previous writing skills whatsoever? Well, here's exactly how. Just follow each and every step that I will be showing you. First of all, head over to google.com and you want to think of what article you want to write and what category you want to be in. It can be anything from health, relationships, business, finance, weight loss, fitness, fishing, gaming, or whatever else you want. So let's say, for example, I'm going to be writing an article about finance. Then I can simply search on Google for different keywords relating to that specific topic. For example, finance tips. Google is then going to give you all of these different recommendations and thousands of different articles. You can find which one you think is best, but you will not be able to just copy and paste that article from Google because you will obviously get a copyright claim, and that can be a huge issue. So instead, just find an article that you think is a really good one, which you think is a good fit, and copy at least one part of it. So you will copy part 1, part 2, part 3, and so on and so forth. Now you're going to use another website called spinbot.com. This is an absolutely free online tool which is going to rewrite those articles for you in a completely unique way, and it will do it for you completely free of charge. There's no need to even sign up for it. You can just go over to spinbot.com and paste the article in the box. Then fill out the CAPTCHA, click Go, and wait for a couple of seconds. Now the Spinbot tool will rewrite that for you in its own words. Now you can use the new article on other websites because it is unique and rewritten just for you. Now open up Google Docs and create a new account. Then go back to Spinbot and copy the part that is rewritten by Spinbot and then paste it into Google Docs. Then proceed to change more parts of that specific article and pretty much repeat the same process until you have the entire article rewritten for you. Next, click on File and then on Download to download it as a PDF document and then download it to your computer. You can now use this rewritten article on ClearVoice because it is completely unique. Once you are back on clearvoice.com, open up your profile and click on Add Content, and you can add your PDF file. Click on Upload File, find the article on your computer, double-click on it, wait until it loads, and there you have your very own article. Now you will select the category your article is in and then just hit Update. The more of these articles you add, the more money you will be able to make, and of course, make sure to name your article. Don't leave it as an untitled document because obviously that's not how it works. So, the more articles you add, the more money you'll be able to make because all the other entrepreneurs and business owners who search for those articles can see your CV, and they can hire you and pay you hundreds of dollars for new articles. All you have to do is once again repeat the process from this video, and it's really as simple as that. So make sure you definitely give this method a go. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be the first to know when we've uploaded a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out on. See you in the next video.